Hello everyone, welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online platform. Today we are starting the next chapter number 6, animating text and object. And today we will cover up first topic, applying animation effect. What is animation? Animation means if we provide some movement on our text, images, graphics, objects, so that is called animation. Is when we provide some movement, when our text is moving from one place to another, or image, or any object. So that is called animation. So in PowerPoint, how we can provide the animation? So let's do it. When we provide the animation, then our presentation will look more attractive. We can explain our point more clearly. So you can see here, I have opened one presentation. Here I have taken some text, images and background. And the topic of this presentation, I have taken types of computer. So I have taken only the text, background, images. I have not provided any animation till now. You can see, firstly I am slide showing it. You just see here. Go to the slideshow. In this one you can see here, this is our slideshow. You can just click on the F5 for the slideshow from the current slide, or you can press Shift plus F5. You can press Shift plus F5 from the current slideshow. So you can see here, I have not provided any type of animation. So if I want to provide animation, then how we can provide? You just see here. Firstly, select the area where you want to provide the animation. Click on animation tab. You can see here, this one, fifth one is our animation tab. Just click on animation. You can see here, there are many groups. Firstly, I am opening the animation pane so that you can know, you can understand which animation I am taking and how many animation we have taken. So I want to open the animation pane. In the advanced animation, you will see this one. This one is my animation pane. Firstly, click on it so that at the right side, you can see the animation pane. So you can see here, this one is blank because we have not given any animation. The next one, this one, you can see in the animation group, when you will click on the arrow, you can see many animations are here. By default, it is none because we have not provided any animation. So you can see here different animations: entrance, emphasis, exit, and the last one is motion path. So what is this? Firstly, I am explaining it. Entrance. As the name indicate, how the object will enter during the slideshow. How you want, you can choose from this. Many are here, you can choose anyone. Emphasis. If you want to provide some effect like text color, fill color, brush, grow, so that time you can use emphasis. It is basically used when we want to apply animation on text. Exit. It is opposite to entrance. As the name indicate, when you want to exit your text, picture, whatever, during the slideshow, you can take from any. This one. Last one is motion path. If you want to provide some movement and you want to decide some path like line, arc, how you want to move, so you can take from here. And from the more, you will get more animation. So I am providing one animation from the entrance, fly in. I have taken fly in. You have seen from bottom to top it came. If you want to do some changes in the direction or in the properties of this one, go to effect option. Go to effect option. If I want from the bottom right corner, it will come. See. And the animation pane, you can see number 1 is here, and here also you will find number 1. One is animation. We have provided one animation. So here it will show which animation we have used. You can provide many and as many animation as you want in our text images. If I want to provide more animation on this text, go to add animation. Click on it. If I want to provide the fill color, you can see here. So same like that, you can, if I want to provide the motion path, for example, I want to provide the arc. See, text is moving in arc shape. If I want to exit during the slideshow, how it will exit? For example, I have taken fly out. You can see here 4 animation I have provided on this text. The first one, this one, I am playing it. See. Second, this is our third arc shape. Fourth one is fly out. If you want to change any property of any animation, for example, I want from the second animation, I want to change the property. So I have selected from the animation pane and then go to effect option. I don't want red color, I want yellow color. So I have taken yellow color. Same like that, whatever you want. In the fourth, if I want fly out, I don't want from the top to bottom. I want to top right. You can see the preview by clicking on the preview button, or you can see here in the animation pane, you can see play from. It's up to you. If I'm doing play from, you have seen the fourth one. Which one? If you want to see the second one, go it and play from. See yellow color. From where you want to see the preview, you can take from here. If you want to see the complete, just go to preview, preview. The first one, second one, third one, arc shape, fourth one, fly out. I think all the fourth is clear. In the first one, I have taken one entrance animation. In the second one, I have taken emphasis. In the third one, I have taken motion path, and fourth one, exit. I am slide showing it by Shift plus F5. See, the first one, fly in. The second one, for fill color. Third one is arc shape. And the fourth one is fly out. After the fly out, you can see, you can't see your text because we have given the exit. So like this, you can give the animation. If you want to delete any animation, if you want to remove any animation, for example, I want to remove fourth one, then go to animation pane, go to fourth one, click on this arrow symbol. Click on this arrow symbol. In this one, you will see remove. Which one will come? Remove. Click on remove. You can see here, now 3 are here. I'm playing it. First one, second one, and third one. Clear? So like this, we can delete also. Start. You can see here start. By default, it is on click. Means, for example, I have slideshow. I'm not clicking any enter key. I'm not clicking any enter key. So nothing is here. When I will press the enter key or mouse click, you can see first. Now again, mouse click or enter. You can see the second one. Then then like that. So if you don't want to do by the clicking or enter, so you can change it. There are three methods. The first one is on click, with previous, after previous. With previous means जो पहले वाली एनिमेशन है इससे पहले उसके साथ प्ले करना है, आफ्टर प्रीवियस उसके बाद प्ले करना है. Clear? So for example, I have selected the second one and I have chosen the, I am taking from here with previous or after previous. I have taken the after previous. Same like that. Now I am taking this one. Third one. This one also I am doing after previous. Means जैसे ही पहले वाली animation खत्म हो, automatically it will play. So I am slide showing here. Now I have not pressed the enter key or mouse click. So you can see here automatically when one animation is over, then next one started. So like that you can do it. By default it is on click. So by like that you can do it. If I want the first one duration, you can provide, you can increase or decrease the time duration of the slide, how many seconds you want to give. It's up to you. It's up to you. You can take from here and then you can play it. See, if I want to increase it, now play it. So if you are increasing the duration, you can see here, and when you are playing, slowly it is coming. When I am just decreasing it, like I'm giving only 0.5, and now I am playing it, fastly it will come. So it depends upon you. Time delay. If you want, when it will start, it will take some time. How many time, how many seconds? Normally it is 0, it will not take time. So I have given here. So now play it. I have clicked on the play, you can see. After waiting some time, then it started. It is our time delay. And the last one is, if you want to move the animation. For example, firstly you want color will change. Then arc shape will come and then a fly in. So what you will do? Firstly, I have selected the second one. From here you can change it, or from here up or down arrow key. Like that. I am doing it up. The first one is color. And the second one I want to go down. If now I will play. See. I am slide showing it to you. See. Yellow color. Then arc shape. Clear? So like that we can do fly in. So because we have changed the sequence, so it's today topic animation. How we can increase the speed, how we can time the delay for starting the animation. Clear? So in the next video we will do the next topic.